11 and early access builds, 2025. #fix, connection error 9 in Supermarket Simulator, multiplayer not working. Tinner 1, check for version mismatch, most common cause. Error 9 often appears when the host and client versions don't match. Fix, make sure both players have updated the game to the latest version on Steam. Restart Steam and let it verify updates. If one user is in a beta branch or modded build, switch back to the default branch. Open quote, Steam library, right-click Supermarket Simulator, properties, betas, select none. Close quote. Chapter 2. Verify game files. Corrupted files can cause connection drops or mismatch errors. Steps: 1. Open Steam library. 2. Right-click Supermarket Simulator properties. 3. Go to installed files, verify integrity of game files. 4. Wait for it to finish and relaunch the game. 3. Allow game through firewall. Windows firewall or antivirus may block the game's connection. Steps: 1. Press Windows plus R, type control firewall.cpl, press enter. 2. Click Allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall. 3. Add supermarketsimulator.exe for both private and public networks. 4. Restart your PC. Open quote, if using antivirus like Avast, Bitdefender, etc., whitelist the game folder. Close quote. 4. Check your internet and NAT type. Poor NAT or DNS can cause multiplayer connection errors. Steps: use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Restart router and PC. Change DNS to Google's public DNS. Go to Network and Internet Settings, Adapter Options, Properties IPv4. Set DNS manually. Preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or network accelerator, disable them. Supermarket Simulator servers often fail with masked IPs. 6. Run game in Steam as administrator. Right-click Steam, run as administrator. Then launch Supermarket Simulator. This helps bypass permission issues during multiplayer sync. 7. Check host settings. If your friend hosts the game, ensure they open ports default Steam UDP 275 to 27036. Disable strict NAT in router if visible. Make sure they're not in offline mode. Nargre 8. Reinstall network components. If all else fails, 1. Run command prompt as administrator. 2. Type each command and press enter. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Restart your PC. 9. Reinstall or move game folder. Sometimes Steam libraries get permission errors. Move the game to another drive or reinstall it. Open quote, Steam properties, installed files, move install folder, close quote. Bonus tip. Developers confirmed error 9 can appear when the backend servers are under maintenance or overloaded. If none of the above work, wait a few hours and retry, often fixed server side. Would you like me